Thank you for choosing LTI for your food serving needs. Today, we'll guide you through how to start up, operate, and maintain your TempestAir unit. First, turn on the service switch located inside the compressor compartment. At startup, you'll see the compressor symbol flash before it powers on. Place empty food pans or cover the wells to prep the system. Then allow about 1 hour for the unit to reach operating temperature before loading your food. The temperature inside is managed by a thermostat built into the compressor housing. Factory settings are at a target of 29 degrees Fahrenheit with a low of 24 and a high of 38 degrees. When you're finished, turn off the unit by switching off the service switch in the compressor compartment. Following these steps will ensure that your TempestAir unit operates safely and effectively. For more information, visit our website, and thank you for choosing LTI.